Hey folks, I'm back with another candy unboxing. Again, another candy bought from Economy Candy in New York City, the Lower East Side, 108 Rivington Street. They didn't pay me to showcase this. I just wanted to show you because I love this candy store. Oh my gosh, so much selection. All right, so I've got one more candy in this bag. I actually had 3 different candies, but I ate it before I got to show it to you, so that's okay. And look at this, another set of M&Ms. So this one here is called Fudge Brownie. It comes in a purple package. All right, you see this brownie lady here serving the brownies in a little can like she made it. That's kind of neat. Okay. All right, well, let's open this up, shall we? Okay, once again, similar to the cold brew candy chocolates. They're like the same size as peanut M&Ms. Oh, lots of orange ones in here. You get the idea. Let me see. Nice. I like to keep the bag kind of in check, but let's see what other colors they've got. There's green there, I can see. Some red and yellow. Anyway, so here these are. I'm gonna take one and do a taste test. Okay. So I can definitely taste that fudge taste, you know what I mean? It has a bit of texture to it too. I'm gonna take this one and then bite it, and I'm gonna show it to you. Okay. So you can see the brownie texture right here, the brownie texture, and like the dark chocolate or darker chocolate around it. Pretty good. So it kind of tastes like regular chocolate M&Ms with a bit of that brownie texture. But generally speaking, it tastes like chocolate, as fudge kind of tastes like, you know, well, fudge brownie at least. Anyway, that's all. Thank you for watching EA Fun Times. Make sure you check out my other video of the cold brew caramel cold brew M&Ms, both from Economy Candies. And it's a cool bag. And I'll see you later on EA Fun Times.